Okay. Aside from the clothing, he is fully complete. Uh, I have gotten all of the electronics working. Some still need to be arranged in his stomach, just because it's a little bit of a mess in there right now. I haven't really bolted down the wiring and such, so I'll have to do that soon, just so stuff doesn't fly out of there. But besides that, he's pretty much done. Mechanically, all his motors are in place, all his mechanisms are built, everything's tuned to the way that I like it. He is all programmed how I want him to be. Uh, and yeah, the wig's good. I might try to dirty it up more in the future, but for now, I think it's good. It's got enough dirt and grime on it, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll put more on it. It doesn't show up well on camera. His hands are done. His arms are done. Uh, yeah, everything's pretty much done in terms of his frame, movements, and everything else like that. Again, I'm just waiting for his shoes and his base for the shirt to arrive, because I'm gonna design a shirt like my friend draws a lot. Sydney had drawn concept art of him, and that's what his clothing is gonna look like. So we're gonna make it like that. We're gonna buy a bunch of fabric and add it onto the shirt that I'm getting for him, and then just standard clown shoes that one of my friends just kind of had laying around. So I will fire him up and run through his show tape. Firstly, I'm going to turn his volume back up because I had to turn it down for stability testing, because I didn't feel like keeping him all the way up because he's like really loud. Alright, he needs a minute to fire up. There we are. Now he's in his idle sequence.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, coming from the depths of the carny, please welcome Rivets the Clown! Hey, everybody! Thank you. It's me, Rivets the Clown! You're about to have a riveting time if you step foot inside. This shit is only $5, so you don't want to miss this chance. It's so nice to see so many people who love a good carnival. So come in, and always remember, when the carnival's in, then everyone wins. When we come to town, please come play around. All of the kids and all of the parents can appreciate our comical merits. Shows in action, we love your reaction to seeing the world of wondrous place. So do come inside, come see all the rides, and we'll do our best to put a smile on his face. Hey, are you all ready for the shows? We have some performances today that will knock your socks off. Hey! I'm talking to you. Start your way into the carnival for a day of fun. We've got popcorn, cotton candy, games, rides, music, and most importantly, fun! Welcome in, dear friends. I'm so glad you're here. Only $5 for some of the most fun you'll ever have. This is a bargain of a lifetime, so you don't want to miss out. You can enjoy the finest entertainment here. Some real high-class stuff. We've got live performances from our wonderful musicians, the likes of which cannot be seen anywhere else. From the happy-go-lucky tunes of our very own Sam Garland to the soulful piano of the devious Dr. Pepper, our performers cannot wait to blow your expectations out of the water. Feeling in the mood for some laughs? Then our clown comedy routines are for you. Only $5 admission to see the best of the best. the daring Grimsley the Great, everyone's favorite Uncle Charlie, the Reaper's Spade himself, Henry Hustle, and of course, yours truly, Rivets the Clown. Don't delay, go buy your tickets now. Remember, kiddos under 3 come in for free. And now, for the comedy stylings of Rivets the Clown! You all want to hear a joke, eh? Okay, here it goes. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the carnival! Admission is only $5, so that chicken made a very smart financial decision. And on an entirely unrelated topic, come in and try our savingly delectable chicken legs. Coated with salt and cooked in laughter. These tasty legs are a delicacy you need to taste heavily. You can feel your cholesterol getting worse with each bite. Be careful not to eat one after getting off one of our many thrilling rides. Feel your stomach in your mouth for gravity inverter. Soar higher above the pickup in the Comet Coaster. Want something a bit slower? Then come see the magnificent views on the top of the clearance wheel. What a bargain!
All right, let's shut you down. Okay. Yep, there he is.